Ascenders! And in this video, we're going to be talking about the Born Pretty Neon Garden Ice Jellies gel polishes from Amazon. So I'm going to grab my stiletto, press on nails, and my friendly neighborhood slap is going to help me by holding my press on nails. I'm going to apply some good old nail clay to those nail beds so it holds my nail right there. I'm going to file the little deuter off that's at the end of the fake nail. Then I'm going to apply them to that nail clay. Okay, we're here now for the exciting part. Why don't we take a look at the gels? You get 6 of them, and they're available on Amazon for $10 to $13. And you get a yellow, a pink, a red, and you get this eggplant purple, which is kind of awesome because I have not seen a jelly that's like an eggplant color. A lovely green, a beautiful blue. I really want to use all 6 colors in one manicure. So let's do this little half situation. So first up, I'm going to take that blue and apply it to my index finger only on one side. And it applied very nicely. It's very transparent. It looks like glass when you apply it to the clear press-on nail. On the other side, I'm going to paint red. I love pairing these 2 colors together. For me, it's giving patriotic vibes, but also Spider-Man vibes. I'm totally going to be wearing these 2 colors come this summer. I'm going to take my little paintbrush and just add a little color on the sides and clean things up a bit. Sometimes it's hard to get a straight line going all the way down the nail because your hands will shake, but you could use a smaller brush and it's a little easier. Also, it's just nice to use a smaller brush when you're doing the sides of your nails. There's less chance of you getting gel on your skin, but if you do get it on your skin, you can just wipe it off with rubbing alcohol. Then I'm going to apply the green. I'm going to pair it with pink because I love that combo. I'm really loving this transparent color I'm getting here, which we need because it's wonderful. Then I applied the purple, which is beautiful. It is an eggplant colored jelly. I don't know, but I'm loving it. I'm going to pair it with the yellow. The yellow kind of looks like candy. And if you're a viewer of this channel, you know I love me some Born Pretty jelly polishes. Well, they're very affordable and the jelly colors are just beautiful. My favorite thing to do with these kind of ice jellies is to apply them over clear press-on nails. It's like glass and it makes for a really cool manicure. Then I'm going to apply the pink and pair it with the blue. I thought that this would make for a fun combination. What I like about doing gel nail art, if you screw it up, you just wipe it off with some rubbing alcohol and try again. Because the gel's not going to cure unless you cure it in the lamp. So it's pretty lenient when you're trying to get a design just right. This nail art right here, you don't really want the other colors to bleed into the other colors. Unless you're making a smoosh design. But if you want that straight line, you have to hold your hand pretty steady. It also helps just to use a smaller brush too. That is why I love doing nail art with gel polish. Then for the thumb, I'm going to apply the red and the pink. They also say when you're using press-on nails that it's a good idea to file the whole surface of the press-on nail before you apply the gel because gel polish sticks better to filed press-on nails, kind of a roughed up surface. But if you watch all my other videos, you know that I never do that. Sometimes I do apply gel base coat to them, but I don't know, I've just never really had a problem with gel polish peeling off the fake nail. I guess I've only worn my press-on nails for at least probably a week because I really like changing up my nails all the time. So maybe they just won't have longevity, I don't know. After I'm done applying the colors, I'm going to go ahead and cure them in the lamp. When I was curing them in the lamp, the pink was just glowing. The others weren't glowing, the pink was just giving. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply another coat of each color. We're not going for opaque here because obviously they're jellies. I just want to enhance the jelly color. And this was easier said than done because I had to be careful when I painted them to make sure I painted it in a straight line. But like I said, the little paintbrush really helped me with this nail art. After I'm satisfied with the look, it's giving me ice jellies, let me tell you, and also glass. I'm gonna apply a gel top coat and stay tuned for the grand reveal. But don't go nowheres, not yet, cause we're not done. This set is called Neon Garden, so we gotta make a garden manicure, or it just wouldn't be right. I would probably have a wrong feeling for the rest of my life. I'm just kidding. But anyways, let's apply that beautiful green to another set of stiletto press-on nails. It's kind of hard for me to say stiletto. I'm gonna apply 2 coats of that lovely green design to enrich the color. You can do fruit nail art with them. You can do candy nail art with them. You can do glass nail art with them because they're so transparent. And of course you can apply them to natural nails. You can apply them to fake nails. And that's my favorite thing to do because it just enhances them and makes it look like glass or hard candies on your nails. Alright, so here's the idea. I have these nail art wheels, which come with various things in them. Flowers, butterflies, nail art tinsel. I got some moss. So why don't we chuck everything on the nails? Gel nail glue to my nails. Probably should have used some of that fancy rhinestone glue because this glue was just a little too thin for these butterflies. They kind of kept moving everywhere, but it's okay, I made it work. I also applied some lovely flowers. Then I put a little tinsel on each nail. Then I put some of these leaves that I had. I actually had no idea, but they glow in different lighting. They were just glowing under the lamp. Then I applied one mini butterfly. And to the thumb I added this lovely yellow rose. Then I had to add some more flowers, some more of those cool like glowing leaves. Added some moss, which I'm very excited to use. I don't think I've ever used this moss. I will say I don't know how realistic wearing these nails would be on a daily basis because those butterflies are gonna get caught in everything. But we're not thinking about practical right now. We're thinking about an enchanted garden. I absolutely loved how these two manicures turned out. The garden is so lovely and lively. It's a place where I want to roam and sit down and pray rosary in. Then we have our little half-C colorful manicure. It's so fun, and it would be great with an all black outfit, but worn with these colorful nails, and the nails would like to be the center of the outfit. Actually, I should make an outfit just like that and wear these nails with it. I'll link everything that I used down in the description box down below. You know what? Why don't we take some jellies and make a lovely sunset manicure? But for that, please click right here. And remember, ascenders, our dreams will ascend to the highest peak. Love ya. I'll see you in my next video. Be out. Bye.